Welcome to Sharky Tunes Kids! Today, let's help our little friend clean up the messy bedroom. Are you ready? Let's go!
Let's clean the bedroom.
Bowl. Great job! Now, let's spray some cleaner on the glass. Spray, 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 and wipe it until it shines. Look how clear it's getting. Uh-oh, a little crack. Let's use some super glue to fix it. Perfect! Now, let's scrub away the green moss and add a beautiful new castle for our fish to play in. Time to decorate! Let's pick some fun colors to make the castle look magical. Blue, orange, and purple. Wow, it looks amazing! Now that the tank is sparkling, let's clean up the bedroom floor. Let's pick up the toys and put them exactly where they belong. Oh, look at all those silly dust bunnies. Let's catch them with our net. And now, the vacuum cleaner will make the rug nice and clean. Vroom, vroom. Almost done! We did it! Everything is clean and organized. And look, we even got a surprise gift! Thanks for helping out, and don't forget to subscribe to Sharky Tunes Kids for more fun.